Hello, learners. Welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 13, and today we are diving into Excel's powerful date and time functions. These functions allows you to work with dates, times, and even calculate durations between events. Essential tool for data analysis and project management. So today's target is mastering date and time function. So let's jump into it. So let's start with the basics. The today functions. It returns the current date, while the date function allows you to create a custom date by inputting year, month, and day. So to get the current date, we have to give the formula equal to and today. So as you can see, we got our today's date. Similarly, to create a custom date, we have to give the formula equal to date and then a specific date. So as you can see, we got our specific date. Now, if you want to extract the year or month from a date, we can use year and month function. For example, equal to year, and then we will give a specific cell from which we want to extract the year. So here we got only the year. To get the month, we have to give the month and then select the cell from which we want to extract the month, and there you go. Now let's look at the time function. The now function returns the current date and time. So as you can see, we got our current date and time. And you can use the time function to create a specific time by entering hours, minutes, and seconds. So to do that, we have to put the formula equal to time, and then we give a specific hour, minute, and second. So as you can see, we got our specific time. This is useful when you're tracking project deadlines or scheduling a task. Finally, let's calculate durations. The network days function calculates the number of working days between two dates. So to get the working days between two dates, we have to put the formula equal to network days, then we will give the start date, and then we will give the end date. Here I used cell referencing. So here we got that there are total 65 days in between. We can also use dated if to calculate the number of days, months, or years. For example, if we want to calculate months between these two dates, in the last we just have to put the M. It signifies the month. So as you can see, we have 2 months in between. To wrap it up, we covered the today and now functions to get the current date and time, year, and month to extract part of a date, and network days and dated if to calculate durations. These functions are essential for date and time management in Excel. So that's all for today. We will meet in our next video with another topic. Thank you.